Before we start talking about the technical aspects, let's clarify certain terms that I will be using extensively throughout the course. As you may be using either a Mac or Windows, do note that I will use the word Control to refer to the Control button on a Windows keyboard, and this button will translate to the Command button on a Mac. When I mention the alternate key, it would translate to the Option button for Mac users. However, don't fret if you can't remember this, as the shortcut buttons for both Windows and Mac will still be written on the video. Also, do note that throughout this course, I'll be using a semi-full screen mode, which you can find by pressing the F button on your keyboard. This option here will give you the total full screen mode, which is not ideal for us, as it will hide the panels that we need to use. The default screen mode will look like this, with the file name shown. Clicking on this will hide the file name. So, do not be surprised if you see that my window is slightly different from yours. It's just different screen modes. Now that we've clarified all of this, let's get started.